The automotive industry is undergoing a transformation. With the increasing demand for sustainability and cutting-edge technology, luxury electric cars have emerged as the ultimate solution for eco-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on performance, comfort, or style. These vehicles combine the prestige of luxury brands with the innovation of electric powertrains, offering a driving experience like no other. In this video, we will explore the rise of luxury electric cars, the brands leading this change, and how these vehicles are changing the future of the automotive world. Luxury electric cars stand out for several key reasons that set them apart from regular electric or gasoline-powered cars. They combine superior performance, cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly design, and exquisite comfort. They offer instant torque and unmatched acceleration. Electric powertrains deliver power instantaneously for impressive acceleration and smooth driving. Luxury EVs are packed with the latest tech, autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise control, and smart infotainment with seamless connectivity. These vehicles blend sustainability with high-end craftsmanship. Zero emissions and efficient electric powertrains help fight climate change. Comfort is paramount. Premium interiors, advanced sound systems, and state-of-the-art suspension deliver a smooth, relaxing ride. Luxury electric cars represent the future of driving, exceptional performance, advanced technology, and eco-conscious design.